Entrepreneurship, according to Howard Stevenson, is the pursuit of opportunities that is to be collected. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pallavi Jha from BBAQ 4th SEM, and today we'll understand entrepreneurship. First of all, we'll know who is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual who develops and identifies need in the marketplace and also develops a strategical idea and starting a new venture in the market. They are innovators who seek to bring new products, ideas, processes, and service in the market in order to attain profit and generate their goals. Now we'll discuss the functions of an entrepreneur by using an example of Baiju Ravindran, who is the CEO and co-founder of Byju's. Along with this, we'll understand what are the functions that were inculcated by him, and also we'll look at the outlook of the functions that were used. First is innovation. Baiju Ravindran innovated and revolutionized Indian education system and bring about the platform of online education and also changed the way the education was. The traditional method was changed into modern method and the gaps between them were recovered. Second is risk taking. Risk taking is the major function of entrepreneurship, and Baiju Ravindran has left a high paying job for starting his own passion and starting his own brand and company, that is Byju's, and now he is earning. Third is organization. He also built a strong team of teachers, educators, and tech experts and create mass amount of employment in his organization. Fourth function is resource mobilization. Resource mobilization refers to the investors that he used in the functioning of his company and the learning app Byju's. For example, Sequoia Capital, who were some of the investors that has invested in his company. Fifth one is decision making. He also timely decide and manage the gap between the barriers and also has formed different types of schedules and courses in his learning app. For example, the competitive course and examinations for the students. And last is business development. He also scaled operation and Byju's has globally expanded the app. This was all about the Baiju Ravindran, and now we are going to see what is the basic difference between a 9 to 5 job and entrepreneurship. First aspect is job security versus entrepreneurial risk. So employees typically enjoy job security and with stable earning and benefit. But in the contrary, entrepreneurship has financial uncertainty and the risk of failure is very high. But this risk can lead to greater rewards in future and can lead to self-fulfillment and also financial independence. Second is work-life balance inside. Job often provide a structured schedules and predictable hours, fostering a more balanced life in job. Whereas entrepreneurs, on the other hand, may work irregular hours and also experience fluctuation in their workloads, but can lead to longer hours. It can also offer the freedom to prioritize their choices. And third is explosive versus incremental. Job offers logical incrementing by increasing their salary by using the methods of promotion, remuneration, etc. On the contrary, entrepreneurship leads to explosive growth if worked with perseverance and patience, which make one rich and famous. For example, Ravi works as a marketing manager in a multinational company and earns 80,000 per month with fixed working hours. But Neha, who founded Glow Natural, an organic skincare brand, works longer hours and take risks but earns profit and enjoys independence. That's all from my side. Thank you.